Start by taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of ajwain or garam seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of ghee. Rub the flour between your fingers for a couple of minutes to incorporate the ghee well. When you press a handful of flour with your fingers, it must hold its shape and not crumble. Now add water little by little and mix to form a stiff dough. Cover this and rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, add 1 tablespoon of ghee to a hot pan. Add in 3/4 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Once they splutter, add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and fry for a minute. Next, add 1 teaspoon of green chilli paste and fry. Now, add half a cup of cooked green peas and saute for 2 minutes. Now, let's add in all the powders. 3/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Here I have used roasted cumin powder for added flavor. Half a teaspoon of dry mango powder, half a teaspoon of fennel or somph powder. Mix all this for about a minute and add in 500 grams of cooked and mashed potato and half a teaspoon of salt. Saute for 2 minutes. Add in 4 tablespoons of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix well and set aside. Now, take the rested dough and gently knead until smooth. Roll and make 5 portions. Make into balls and set aside covered. Take 1 portion, grease the ball and flatten it. Roll it to an oval shape of about 8 by 7 inches. It should not be too thick or too thin. Cut this into 2 parts. Take 1/2, apply water over the cut edge, join the edge to make a cone, and press well to seal the edges. Fill the cone with the prepared masala and press lightly to push it inside the cone. Now smear water well on the edges. Make a pleat on the opposite side of the first joint and bring the edges together and seal by pinching. Ensure to seal the joints well or they will open up while frying. Similarly, make with the rest of the dough. Keep the samosas covered until ready to fry. Now heat oil in a kadai. To test the temperature, drop a small piece of dough into the oil. It should make tiny bubbles and should take a while to rise to the surface. Now add in as many samosas as you can and fry on low for about 10 minutes. When the crust becomes firm, increase the heat to medium, flip the samosas and fry till golden and crisp. Let the oil cool down before frying the next batch. Serve hot samosas with mint chutney and sweet tamarind chutney or tomato sauce. Enjoy!